Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can organize your pens on Pinterest. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon. Scroll until you can find the Unorganized Ideas section. After that, tap on the Organize button beside it. Now, select the ideas you want to include on your Pinterest board. Once you're done, tap on the Next button. After that, select the board in which you want to move the pins. And that's it. This is how you can organize your pins on Pinterest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.